Hey there! Welcome back to another interesting video from DigiFix.
Google AI tools. Google has introduced a wide range of AI tools across various domains, all aimed at enhancing productivity, creativity, and decision-making by integrating cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Socratic. Socratic by Google is an educational app designed to help students understand concepts across various subjects by using AI to break down topics into simpler explanations. It allows users to ask questions via text or by snapping a photo of a problem, after which Socratic provides step-by-step solutions, explanations, and resources, drawing from reliable educational content on the web. Notebook LM. Notebook M is a powerful AI tool by Google designed to enhance your writing and brainstorming processes. It provides intelligent suggestions, generates content, and helps refine your ideas, making it easier to create and organize your thoughts effectively. Whether you're drafting documents or brainstorming new concepts, Notebook M streamlines your workflow with its advanced language capabilities. Google Vids. Google Vids is a versatile platform for creating and managing video content. It offers a range of tools for video editing, enhancement, and sharing, enabling users to produce professional quality videos effortlessly. With intuitive features and seamless integration, Google Vids simplifies the video production process for both personal and professional use. Google Music FX. Google Music FX is an innovative audio editing and enhancement tool designed for music creators and sound enthusiasts. It offers powerful features for mixing, editing, and applying special effects to audio tracks. With its user-friendly interface and AI-powered capabilities, you can create music using your own prompts, allowing for personalized and professional-grade music production. This makes Google Music X ideal for both amateurs and professionals in the music industry.
Thanks for watching. Try these tips and let us know in the comment section.